A lot of people don't like the R word and don't want to be the R word, but I honestly love it, and that's rejection. I love being rejected. I love going out of my way to get rejected on something that I already know I'm not going to do good at. Because the amount of times I was scared to ask the teacher to go to the bathroom, scared to ask this one person a question, basically scared to do a poop ton of things in my life because I was scared of being rejected. And if we both get over our fear of rejection, it's going to be so much easier to live life. You're going to be able to do more things, bike around, go to cool places like this, all because you're used to putting yourself out there, getting out your comfort zone, and expecting it to not go out the right way that you want it to go. If you're not sure who I am, I'm Timothy, and I honestly can say 100% confidently that I'm okay with getting rejected. I'm okay with putting myself out there. I'm actually grateful that everything that in life doesn't come so easy that I can just have anyone say yes to me or something. Because when they say no, it gives you something to work on. It gives you something to improve. There's a reason why they said no. But I just love making these videos to try to give you something to think about. And if you like the environment I'm in, consider subscribing because I post videos like these every single day to try to give you something to think about. And I also do coaching to help people stop overthinking about everything, doing bad habits, making people stop being afraid of being rejected all the time. So if that sounds interesting, click that Calendly link in the description. But I just really want to share some mindsets that I've had in my life which make me way more confident in my life, and because of that I'm able to make money online. I'm able to do cool fun things in my life, and I'm able to just enjoy my life, have fun, be active, physical, talk to a bunch of people. It's amazing. And the best way to be more confident is seeking rejection, and the best way to do that is going up to strangers and just asking them questions that you don't really expect a yes from. I remember this one time I was playing catch with my friend and I saw these two people and I just went up to them, asked them if they want to play. Like I already knew they were already playing basketball. I already knew they were gonna not play, but I saw that the difference it had in my life when I left that conversation, it was life changing. It really was. It was this one guy helping this deaf man play basketball and it was so wholesome. I was playing catch with them. It was so fun. He was actually pretty cracked. Every time I go up to some random person in school or ask some teacher some silly question, expecting no, it makes it way easier to ask the question when I want a yes. Because I've been doing it so many times in school, asking strangers stuff, and it makes you not feel lonely. It makes you feel like you're talking to so many people, and it's such a great thing to do. The thing I do every single time I honestly talk to people is just dumb my brain down. I don't even think about the consequences of what I do really, but I don't say anything crazy. It's just I don't overthink or overanalyze about the things that might happen if I say this wrong or stutter a little bit. I don't think about that stuff because it's not worth having. I know this is gonna sound a little weird, but every time I have a special needs person in my class, bro, what are they doing? They're constantly talking to people. They're having fun. They're saying a bunch of stuff. And then everybody's fine with it. Everyone's either talking to them, laughing with them, and that's similar to what we have to do. We can just say some random stuff and nobody's really gonna care. We can go up to some random person, ask for a high five, and they're probably gonna high five us. Really, think about that. Someone's probably gonna high five you. We probably have those moments where some random person came up to us and asked for a high five and we just did it to them, or like asked them to do us a favor and we just did it. If people did it on us, we can do it on other people because they know it's not that serious, it's not that deep. Nobody's gonna care that much. Have you ever realized how small we really are in this world? We're just one little person stuck in this space and we could fit like a bagillion people in this earth, and you're gonna be afraid that one person that you don't really care about might say no to you, might think you're a little weird, might think you're a little weird, not even say it out loud so you don't even know. People will probably even respect you more because you're putting yourself out there doing that fun stuff. So right after you listen to me talk about this, I want you to think about how small we really are in this world. How one day we're gonna die and we don't want to have that much regret. I never regretted a time I went up to someone and just said some random thing. I never regretted a time where I went up to some deaf man or asked someone for free food. There's this book in the Bible called Job, and it's this guy who pretty much loses everything in life. He loses his kids, his land, his cattle, everything imaginable he lost. And he was still grateful to be alive. he was still grateful that he had God. You think that guy was afraid of this one person rejecting him in his life? You think he was unconfident to ask someone to give him a favor or something? Like, like he probably doesn't care about all those little things that we worry about so much. So stop worrying about the little things that are suppressing you. Because you could be going outside right now. You could be doing fun things, but you're not for some reason. You're scared of this going wrong. You're scared of this happening. Please do something right now after you watch this video. Go outside a little bit, have some fun. Talk to some random stranger that you see, ask them a question. Acknowledge people's presence. Every time you walk somewhere and you see someone, say hi to them. Say good morning. Say what's up. I really hope you can think about this because I wish I heard this 1 or 2 years ago. If you found this video cool or interesting, spread this around the algorithm, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that stuff so more people can see this place. And yeah, I actually just biked here, so yeah, I'm gonna show you. I just biked here and it's a pretty great way to start my morning. Hope you can do something like this too. And if you want to surround yourself with people who are like-minded to us, join that like-minded club in the description so you can have more people to talk to and expose yourself to that rejection. Because as soon as you get more rejected, you're going to get more confident. I hope you can really do this. Start talking to more people. Start not caring about all those little stupid things, and hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you later. Take care. Peace. Click that Calendly link in the description as well so I can coach you on quitting bad habits, doing all these things, living a cool life, starting to make money online. I'll see you later. Take care. Peace. Bye-bye.